Back to our 8th Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
And today we're going to make what? Mini
Sweet bacon wraps.
hot dogs.
Hot dog wraps.
Right, and this recipe was actually sent to us by 2 of you. So we thought, okay, I guess that's something everybody wants, so we're doing it. So, Kaylee, do you know how they named the word hot dog, or how hot dogs came to be?
I don't know, Mom. Do you know?
I do know. A fun little fact is a cartoonist. You know what a cartoonist is? They draw cartoons. Cartoonist was at a New York City baseball game, and they were serving hot dogs, and he drew like a dash hound. You know, one of those dash hound dogs that look like little wiener dogs?
Yeah, like a hot dog shape.
Right, like a hot dog shape. But he didn't know how to spell dash hound, so he wrote hot dog, and it stuck. Or that's what he's credited with that. However, they've never found the cartoon illustration that he illustrated. So back to, and also, did you know, this is a fun fact, again on hot dogs. You've never had very many hot dogs in our house, huh?
Never.
We've never.
The only person who likes hot dog is Stephanie and Michelle, not me.
So we're making this for our friends. But did you know that hot dogs actually went to astronauts, took them to out in space?
I never know that.
Yeah, the Apollo 7 and Apollo 11 both had them, and probably others in between. And did you know that the average person, although we don't eat them, did you know that, how many do you think that the average person eats on hot dogs?
70.
Yes, because you saw my sign. 70. Did you know that there's over 20 billion each year are served? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of hot dogs. But
That's a
anyways,
lot.
let's get cooking. So what are we going to do today? All right, we've got, first of all, we're going to have
We have
bacon, which while you're showing the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to start cutting the bacon.
So we have bacon, hot dog,
Mini hot dogs, or
mini hot
Smokies,
dog,
brown,
sugar,
and this is cayenne pepper.
cayenne pepper.
So would you please take these two and dump them in there and stir it while I cut the bacon?
Yes.
I'm going to cut the bacon, you all, into thirds so it will be easier to wrap. I don't know that we need all of this, but we'll cut it anyway. So, okay, well. Don't you love it when you're live and things don't work? That's why I told you guys, I use scissors all the time. They'll make life easier. My life, anyway. Okay, you got that? Oh, wrong
Yep,
thing.
everything is mixed together.
Okay, I have to wash my hands. So I'm gonna get you started, Kaylee. Here's a paper plate. And what are you gonna do?
So we
I'm
need.
gonna wash my hands while you start rolling it in the bacon.
So we are rolling like a towel, like a baby blanket.
Around the baby, okay. And then
Then we put a stick in,
a toothpick
a toothpick
to hold it.
to hold it. Then put what there.
Okay, we'll put it down there. Let's move these out of the way. Keep going. Go grab the next one.
Then we have another one. Then you may make a baby blanket
Yeah. You're doing a great job rolling, girl.
and get this.
Okay. While you're doing that, so we don't have to have everybody sit there and watch us the whole time rolling, but what we do is we're gonna keep rolling, you guys. And then you're supposed to kind of put that in
And the
the brown sugar mix, okay? So you can either do that or you can sprinkle it on top, but I want it to be covered every which way but loose. There you go. And then you're gonna pop these in, I forgot to say, a 350-degree oven and bake them for 30 to 35 minutes. All right? When they come out of the oven, I'm gonna put them down. Just wanted to let you know, remind you again, 350 degrees and 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the crispness that you like. And also the last 3 to 4 minutes, you might wanna set the oven to broil and crisp them up. We like them crispy. And let's see what else we
You
want to.
may share a picture.
A
Get
recipe.
Wikipedia, get all the thumbs up if you like it.
If you like our videos, let us know. Tell us and send a picture of you cooking. We might do your
that
recipe.
next time.
Yeah, do your recipe. But at any rate, we hope that you create, cook, and talk and encourage learning while creating. Yum. Do you want one of these? It might be a little hot.
Sure.
Okay. They call it meat candy. Woo! As that dripped all over. Enjoy.